gear secured and get on board now.
Holding position on the cockpit. Measurements complete.
Copy. Shifting lights to the main fuselage for survey.
Look at the stress diagrams here. The fuselage won't take the direct load.
Agreed. We need to redistribute the weight using the spreader bar configuration shown on sheet 47.
Activating the hydraulic wrench now.
Copy that.
Shackle 7 is secure.
Easy down, maintain tension on the lines. Coming down steady, preparing for touchdown. Confirm touchdown, all stop, all stop. Lift complete. Beginning traverse to the east side.
Acknowledged. Moving east, steady pace.
All teams report status on scaffolding erection.
Team A securing upper rotors. Team B initiating platform lock sequence.
Clear the aft connection point. Holding steady, coming out slowly. Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
This Lycoming T55 turboshaft engine exhibits severe saltwater corrosion, particularly on the magnesium castings and compressor blades.
Clear to lift, keep it steady.
Lifting now, watch the starboard side mounts.
Steady, steady. Watch the drip pans below. All right, pull it steady. Holding tension on this end. Watch the coupling, almost clear.
The intense vibration and aggressive cavitation bubbles are lifting decades of rust and contamination from these critical aircraft components.
Applied with a foam applicator, the blue neutralization compound shifts to silver-gray upon contact with the corroded surface, indicating the reaction is complete.
Thickness measurements are stable here. Switching to the bore scope now to check that subsurface indication we saw earlier.
Pressure is increasing, monitoring the deformation.
Laser alignment confirms the twist is nearly gone.
Holding steady for stabilization.
Cross-referencing station 420.
Alignment confirms within tolerance.
Data matches the blueprint specifications.
Give me 500 foot-pounds on this one. Torquing now. Confirmed.
We're applying multiple layers of the black carbon fiber fabric. The rollers help remove any trapped air before we vacuum bag it for curing.
Alignment looks good. Ready to secure the mounts.
Confirming torque on the bolts now. Preparing for the compression cycle test.
All right, I've got the top fastener seated. Good. Start the ratcheting sequence. I'll hold the pressure here. Confirming torque spec now.
Technicians use calibrated torque wrenches to precisely tighten the large mounting bolts to exact engineering specifications, measured in foot-pounds.
Valve connection secure, ready for the pressure test.
All right, initiating sequence. Stand clear of the rams.
Rotors. The corrosion on the compressor section is worse than anticipated.
Borescope confirms pitting on vane 52.
Torque set on the main bolts.
Confirmed. Moving to the next sequence.
Alignment verified.
Throughout the restored CH-47 airframe, a specialized team installs the triple redundant hydraulic system.
Check the connections on the radar altimeter.
Powering up the GPS now. Stand by for initialization sequence.
All right, align the splines. Nice and easy now.
It's engaged. Pushing through the flange now.
Temperature holding steady at optimal levels.
Confirmed. Maintain current settings.
Using precision vinyl masking stencils and spray techniques, the iconic U.S. Army star insignia is applied to the Chinook fuselage.
Torque wrench set to specification.
Fasteners secured on blade 3, ready for pitch check.